welcome to everyone on this final, well, it's kind of the final, it's the final build episode of the CX500. As you can see in the background, the CX500 is finished. And there's obviously going to be more CX500 videos of this, so there's going to be riding videos. Before we give it away, definitely have to ride it a little bit. But anyway, you don't want to know more about that, you want to know more about the bike, so here it is. So the bike is now finished. We have this amazing paintwork by Mo Colors. These graphics at the side really stand out because of his paintwork. The gloss sheen on it is amazing. There's no raised edges or anything. There's no vinyl transfers. It's all done by spraying. We've got a Super Trap silencer on there. Neat little thing. You open the rings, close the rings, depending on if you want to actually increase performance or anything. It kind of squishes that air through it. Exhaust wrap, the titanium wrap to hide all our sins on there. The engine is that new cast iron paint that we've worked on. The jets are rejetted. We've got some K&N pods at the back. Everything is done there. We've got progressive springs on the front forks. One thing that we have forgotten about is the little lights here, but that's no worries. Only because we ran out of time, but we've left the recess there for any spotlights, so that's going to look super cool. We've done front and rear hub conversions for the Comstars, laced up the wheels, new rims from Dime City Cycles, TKC 80 tyres, custom exhaust. As I mentioned, it's exhaust strap, but it is a custom exhaust made from an XS kit from here that goes all the way through to the back, through to the Super Trap, and that is it. Oh, the tank as well is an actual aftermarket tank, so as you can see, it is a lot thinner than the original. In fact, we've got the original tank here. You can see how bulbous that is. You can hardly see the heads sticking out on there, but on this bike it's just made it a lot narrower and it's looking super mean. And the off-the-shelf cowl here that we've just done a little bit of fabrications, changed the shape, and that is it. And that is it. So as I mentioned, this is the last build episode, but there will be more videos later on this bike, even a time lapse, because I know that you guys love a time lapse. But don't worry, the builds haven't finished. The Ducati Monster will hopefully be in the 2020 Bike Shed show, if it gets accepted, that is. So there's more videos on that, more riding videos, more vlog videos, and who knows, there might even be more build videos from here. So remember, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Dime City Cycles' channel, follow us on Instagram, follow them on Instagram. More importantly, head down to the link below. For a $5 donation, you could be in with a chance of winning this bike down here. So please donate $5 and you could be in with a chance to win this bike. So until next week, I have no idea what video is going to be next week, but until then, ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you next week.